Hey, it's Mike visiting Payam Data Recovery and meeting with Payam to see how they recover data from failed hard drives from a NAS unit for Andrew from Mascot, New South Wales. This case came in after Seagate's own data recovery lab in the USA said it was impossible. 4 drives from a QNAP NAS RAID 5 configuration. About 10 years of family photos and documents. When Payam opened the box, he noticed something straight away. See this drive here? There's a hole in the label where the head screw sits underneath. Someone's been inside this one. He tested all 4 drives using the Atola Insight forensic tool. The tampered drive, completely dead, not even spinning. But here's the thing with RAID 5. You might not need every drive. The second drive had thousands of bad sectors. The other 2 were healthy. So Payam cloned the 3 working drives and let them run overnight. The RAID was detected automatically, but it showed an empty Linux partition, no files. So Payam called the customer to ask some questions. Nobody had reformatted it. This meant a deep scan was needed. After 3 days, there they were, all the files and folders. Everything was saved to a new drive, tested for damage, and the customer received a complete file list with a video preview. The dead drive that Seagate opened, never touched. Didn't need to. That saved the customer time and money. This is why RAID recovery isn't something your local IT guy can handle. It takes experience, professional tools, and a problem-solving approach. Seagate couldn't do it. Payam did. 2 weeks, start to finish, and this customer got back a decade of memories. If someone's told you your case is impossible, give Payam Data Recovery a call. Sometimes it's the person working on your case that makes all the difference.